Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bonk Update. This is Bonk and we made a pump to the upside and eventually got rejected yesterday. I was expecting this rejection to happen. So you came up to 1250 and you got a little bit short to get up to 1277. But anyways, we had almost like a 10-12%. So this was 11%, right? So we did have an 11% move up. I think we ended up having an 8% win for Bonk yesterday when I posted this one on Discord. It was a freebie. Now, continuing when we left off, I actually did give a call to sell your Bonk right over here. I actually did give the shout out there on Discord. Thing is that you came up, you got rejected, you have a shooting star, you have 3 black rows at the moment, and yes, this looks like a very, very big rejection. Now, if you may try to trade this thinking that it's going to go down, then you have an 8.7% risk right now. If you think it's coming down, you can actually try to trade from here thinking it's going to go down, and then you have like a 61%, or just wait for the break, the retest, which is a very long game. The thing that, if you become biased to the downside, this is just an example, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to go down. You may still break above and move up. Okay, I have said this so many times that you wait for the break. Now, if you still don't want to wait for the break and go for the banking system, you may actually just open up that position where you shorted, and then you drop it to the downside, putting in a stop loss here. Now, the benefit of opening up early before the break is that, yes, you are expecting that it's going to break down, number one, and eventually your expectation does get met and it breaks down. Then your stop loss, this becomes one of the best stop losses ever. At least when it comes down here and it goes back for the retest, you can bring your stop loss down to your entry, and then your trade becomes absolutely risk-free, if it does make any sense. Does it make sense? I hope it does make sense, right? You open up the position here. When it comes down, your stop loss is in a much more better place than you having to enter here, and then you're looking for a stop loss up here or up here or up here, thing like that, right? So this one becomes less riskier. Now, I'm not going to stretch the video too long today because there's nothing much that has changed in here. It's still on a sideways consolidation. Now, yes, of course, we're still waiting until 4th of February. Today's 27th, so time is ticking. And yeah, maybe at the 1st of February, we may see a bang in the market. And I honestly don't know. If I have to pick a side, I may say that I am expecting a move down, right? If I have to pick a side. But then again, never ever go with my side. Never even listen to those gurus out there on YouTube saying whatever they want to say. By the end of the day, look at the charts, right? I'm just here to actually put you on that road, on that path where it becomes easier. The main call, the final word comes from the chart itself. Atom coins may feel that it's going to go down, right? Don't go with Atom coins, honestly, because even Atom coins, if Atom coin sees that this broke up, even if I was expecting a downside, Atom coins is going to trade when it comes for the retest and try to push it up, right? But feelings are aside and reality is aside. So these are two different things. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.